Hi friends, I bought this new mini mic from DJI. This is the 7P Osmo Mobile gimbal, as you can see, and it has this multifunction module that you can use for light, for giving some orders to the filming process, and really important, the receiving voice from and sound from the microphone, so you don't need any other external microphone. So this mini microphone is the one that is able to connect with the multifunction module. So I bought it to use my gimbal to its full potential. Okay, you get this carrying case. This is the actual microphone. Okay, it has a magnetic accessory to put it in your clothes, like this. This is the charging base, USB-C, and you get some wind noise reductors with it, depending on the kind of color that you prefer, and of course the USB-C cable to charge it with a USB-A port. Okay, so I'm going to sync it with the multifunction module. Ready. It's already paired, so let's make a quick test. With the multifunction module, you can start and stop the filming process with this. Hi friends, I'm testing the new DJI Mini microphone that it's connected directly to the multifunction module of my Osmo Mobile gimbal. Thank you very much. Now I'm going to test the new mini microphone in this large room. I'm going to use the multifunction module to start the recording process. I'm only using now my DJI mini microphone. It is useful if you are doing a presentation like here in a meeting, if you are explaining something, if you want to come to the board here or go back to explaining something in the TV. And the microphone connection is wireless, and you will have a crisp, nice sound in your recording. Thank you very much.